time there was a cleaning lady whom everyone admired. I took my time and I listened to Stanley when hope sprang from her eyes. Now I'm in love with the cleaning lady, and one day she'll be mine. So take your time and listen to Stanley when darkness shrouds your eyes. In your time there was a cleaning lady whom everyone admired. So take your time and listen to Stanley when hope springs from her thighs. Now you're in love with the cleaning lady, and one day she'll be mine. Take your time